I'm showing you how to change a Splinter Guard on a Mafell Track saw rail. This method should also work for Bosch guide rails. It's just a quick video, no time wasting. You will need 10 to 15 minutes at most to get this done. To remove the old rubber, there are two methods. The first one is a force approach, and I don't know that it's the best for the longevity of the track. But to remove it the proper way, first remove the end cap. Right where the rubber ends, you may notice a black element showing. This is a little triangular wedge that stops the rubber from sliding around. Try to remove it. I used a small screwdriver to poke it out. Switch sides and repeat the process. This should free up the rubber and it should be able to slide out like so. Now time to slide the new Splinter Guard in. The new rubber didn't slide very easily for me and I had to really work it in. This process took over 5 minutes. Please click the like button so that other people can get a chance to see this video. If you can, leave yourself a little extra length on each end so that it can be trimmed easily. Half an inch or a centimeter or so. So first mark where your rubber will end, slide it out slightly and do a nice even cut with a pair of scissors. Then slide the rubber back into position. After you slide the Splinter Guard into position, you should see a triangular gap. Slide in your plastic wedge into that gap to lock the Splinter Guard into position. My replacement Splinter Guard came with replacement wedges. Time to repeat the process on the other end of the track. Place the end caps back on. And to trim the Splinter Guard to size, place the rail on a nice flat piece of scrap wood, roughly the same length as the track. Set the depth of cut so that the blade of the track scores the piece of wood. For me it was about 5 mil. Do your first cut from the start of the rail to finish, making sure you are not using the score cut function, as this moves the blade out a little bit. That's it. Check out another one of my videos here and thanks for watching.